some hail. I'm trying to remember where that was. Here's the video right here. Do we know what? This is from Baton Rouge. So what you're seeing here on your screen, all right, this is from Baton Rouge. That is what's heading our way at the moment. So that's why we're on the air. That's why we're warning you and letting you know what's going on. So this large hail heading in this direction. I think we got a quad box. Let me see if we can get a traffic note back to a single shot. Right here. All right, so this is a quad box. You can see we have rain moving throughout the area right now. The entire area is now getting wet. You can see we do have some rain moving across the metro area, really all over the Mississippi River Bridge. If you're going to be traveling in that direction, I would probably say wait. I wouldn't travel. Right now it doesn't look too bad, but trust me, it's only going to get worse as we continue going through. So let's kind of reset a little bit. We've got severe thunderstorm warnings up, and we also have tornado warnings up.